carbonation effect on the structural member. Okay. So to determine the carbonation effect on the structural member, we will be using phenolphthalein solution. So we have extracted core sample. If the color changes, if there is no color change, it indicates that there is a carbonation effect from the surface. So
up to an inch, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll give it an inch.
And
There
in
was
this
no,
area,
there was no color
Yes.
change
Yes.
up to 1 inch. That means
almost
carbonation
1 inch.
effect has taken place in this 1 inch.
Yes.
Okay, fine.
So in this area there is no carbonation effect.
Okay.
So
Color has not
because
been
it turned into pink color.
Pink color, fine.
The purpose of determining the carbonation effect is actually we are having a rebar about 50 mm or 60 mm for these structural members.
Fine.
So if the depth of effect is only 25 mm, so the rebar which is present inside is safe. So there is no corrosion on that particular rebar.
Fine.
So, and the purpose is if the depth of carbonation is more, then we need to apply anti-carbonation coating over the structural member to prevent further carbonation.
Fine. Well, very well. Thank you so much.
And this is a phenolphthalein solution indicator. And immediately after core extraction, we need to pour phenolphthalein indication. If we
Otherwise,
delay,
if we delay, the carbonation will take place on it.
no. I mean, some what do you call? Like if you have an apple,
Okay.
if you cut it, then over the apple after some time we will be having some oxidation.
Yes,
So
yes.
due to this, there will be a
Fine, fine. Thank you.
Here you can see it is turning into pink from the top at about 10 to 15 mm. There is no color change. It indicates carbonation effect from the surface is 15 mm. Generally, there are two procedures. One is we extract the core sample and we pour phenolphthalein solution over here. Second thing is we drill using drill bit. We will be drilling this to the core and we will collect the sample. Over the sample, at stage wise we will be drilling. First we will drill at about 10 to 15 mm. We collect the sample. We will spray the phenolphthalein solution.
Okay.
If it turns into pink, no carbonation. If it is colorless,
We'll stop there. No carbonation.
Yes.
Okay. If it doesn't turn pink, we'll go another one.
Another 15 mm.
Fine, I got it. Fine. Thank you. Thank you for it.